Children, let us study some examples on measure of an arc. O is center of the circle. Chord PQ congruent to chord RS. Angle POR is 70 degree. Arc RS, measure of arc RS is 80 degree. Find measure of arc PR, measure of arc QS and measure of arc QSR. Find these three things. O is center of the circle, chord PQ congruent to chord RS and therefore arc PQ congruent to arc RS. Therefore, measure arc PQ is equal to measure of arc RS, which is 80 degree. Measure of arc PR is 80 degree because its central angle POR is 70 degree. Measure of minor arc is the measure of its central angles. Therefore, PR is 70 degrees. Measure of arc PR plus measure of arc PQ plus measure of arc QS plus measure of arc RS is equal to 360 degrees, degree measure of a circle. Substitute the given values, that is 70 degree, 80 degree plus this 80 degree plus measure of arc QS is equal to 360 degree. So you will get measure of arc QS is equal to 130 degrees. Now measure of arc QSR is equal to 130 plus 80, that is 210 degrees. Study 15th example. Measure of arc WY is 44 degree. ZX, measure of arc ZX is 68 degrees. Then find the measure of arc ZTX. If WT is 4.8, TX is 8, then YT is 6.4. Find TZ. Similarly, next example, find WT. Now, XW and YZ are the two chords of a circle intersecting each other in the interior of the circle at T. So we know that angle ZTX is equal to half measure of arc ZX plus measure of arc WY. So half common. This is 68 degrees plus 44 degrees. It is, and half of it, that is 56 degrees. Your second part of this example is internal division of chords. So use theorem on internal division of chords. WT into TX is equal to YT into TZ. Substitute the values and you have TZ is equal to 6. For your third example, again theorem of internal division of chords. WT into TX is equal to YT into TZ. Substitute the values. You have this value of WT as 144. Observe the given figure. Measure of arc CE is 54 degrees, BD is 23 degrees. Find measure of angle A. Now, two chords intersecting outside the circle in point A. So, measure of angle CAE is equal to half measure of arc CE minus measure of arc BD. Substitute the values. So, your answer is 15.5 degrees. Measure angle A. Second question is AB is given as 4.2, BC is 5.4, AE is 12. Find out AD. Now theorem on external division of chords. You have AC into AB is equal to AE into AD. Substitute the values. You have AC as AB plus BC. Substitute these values and then find out AD. AD is 3.36. Your third example, AB is 3.6, AC is 9. Find out BC. Then AD is 5.4. Find out AE. Right? Again, apply theorem on external division of chords. Chords CB and ED intersecting outside the circle in point A. So AC into AB is equal to AE into AD. Substitute the values. You have AE as 6.